Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about if statement. Here is the flow chart of if statement. Diamond sign represent condition. Condition 1 is true, then condition 1 statements will be executed. If condition 1 is false, then we are going toward condition 2, and if condition 2 is true, then statements of condition 2 will be executed and condition 3 will be skipped. This is very efficient structure. If our condition 1 is true, then all other conditions will be skipped. If condition 3 is true, then condition 3 statements will be executed. If condition 3 is false, then nothing will be executed. In this video, we are going to calculate grade of a student by using if statement. So create a variable grade. You can assign a float value like 88.5, and here apply if condition. If grade greater than or equal to 90, then fmt print ln a grade, and in else condition, if grade greater than equal to 80, then here print B grade, and in else condition, if grade /70, then print. Basically, this is marks value, so you can assign any name, and here is C grade. Run the program, and B grade is printed. The value of grade is 88.5. 88.5 is greater than is equal to 90, which is false condition because 88 is less than 90, and here grade 88.5 greater than is equal to 80, so which is true condition, and the message is here. Thank you for watching this video.